Welcome to Amplus Forms online video training. Module 1A on basic properties, common features. And during this video we will teach you how to manage the common basic properties, especially data name, title text and hint text, and show you how these are used in your form design. We'll also take you to the layout and styling properties to show background colour. As mentioned, these are common properties to all basic fields. Now first of all, what I'm going to do is add a couple of text boxes. Now one, I can do it by dragging, or I can just click and it adds a text box below the one we've already got. These properties over on this side allow you to manage the properties differently as you insert into the center panel of your work area. And once you've selected your field and you've placed it like we have here in the center panel, it is highlighted in blue. We can now go over to the right hand panel and manage how we would like this specific field to look when we're looking at it at the mobile device and how you receive your data in the platform. Now the first thing you will see is data name, and it's untitled, then a number, and that number will increment each time a new field is added. So if I go to the second text that I added, you will see it's untitled 2. Now please note that each data name has to be unique and can only be used once on your screen or form. If you attempt to use the same data name again, it will highlight in red and advise you that you must choose a unique name. So let's see this in action. I'm going to give this a name, a unique name of text. But I also know that this is a text box, so I'm going to say text here. But straight away you will see the whole box goes red, and it says here underneath that this property must be unique. There is another field with the same value. So if you've designed a form with 3 or 4 pages, maybe you may have forgotten that you've used a name for a unique data name, and the form will tell you. So what we could do here is just add a 1, and that takes that away. Now once we have our data name, you will see here we have title text. This is what is going to be seen by the user. So let's just write here text. Then just below that you will see the word hint text. Well, here what we could do is just give them a little note what we want the user out in the field to do. So let's say please type text here. Now you'll see that's come up in red. That's because it's actually in red. But I can change that color, and I can also change the color here for the title text. Now what you can do is, for instance, if I wanted this to go back to black, I could type in what we see here, the hex. So if I type in here 33333 and another 3, it will go black. Or again, if I wanted to change the title text to a different color, I can click there and I can use the rainbow bar, and I can go up and down on the rainbow bar. I'm a bit of a blue person, so I like blue, so I click into the blues and I create that as blue. The other thing is here I can do as well is make it bold or unbold it. I can put it in italics, I could leave it in bold, and I could even make it small. I can make it medium, or I can make it large. So again, you have all that artistic weaponry in your hands, and it's good for you to do. There are infinite colors you can choose, so why not have a play? Now you can also use the font changes in the hint text as well. So you could have that as small, or you could have it as medium, or you could have it as large. Now just below there we have what we call layout and styling, as you can see here. There are 3 different layouts, and I'll drop the menu down. You can see here we have vertical, horizontal and horizontal for tablets. Vertical, as implied, places the title and the hint text one above the other, and the response entry is below, like we see here. On the form, the person would type in here. If I change that to horizontal, the display will now enter the field to the right of the title text, and the hint text will be below, but here, as you can see, the user would write in here. We're going to leave that on vertical, and then if we scroll a little bit further down, we will see the background color just here. The background color again gives you the pleasures of changing colours. At the moment it's that smooth grey colour, and again I could change that by clicking on it and bringing this down to, let's say, yellow, and the background colour and the hint text become yellow. And you can use any colour you wish. You can go around here and change it, but remembering the user needs to be able to see what you've written as the title text and the hint text. You could also have it as completely transparent by clicking the transparent button. Now below the field layout you will see the validation and behaviours, and further down here you will see advanced options. These are covered in one of the other videos on validation and behaviour and advanced options. Of course, the best way for you to learn is by doing it yourself, and we encourage you to create a new screen or form, add the fields and play with the properties within them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to email support@amplusforms.com.